How to change address after order in Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can change the address after order in Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you've ordered something, maybe you inputted a wrong location, or maybe you're shifting places, and now you've already made the order. You want to go ahead and then basically change the location or the address. Now in order to do this, there are a couple of things you have to understand. One thing is that you will not be able to change the location after ordering the product. So what can you do? I'll give you some alternatives. First thing you can do is just try to cancel the order and then just get a refund, and then just make another order with the correct location. But this is only applicable if the product hasn't been shipped. And the way you can do this is just simply open the Amazon app here, come to the account page, and then just go to the your orders tab, select a specific order that you would like to cancel and cancel them. The other way to do it is to simply contact Amazon customer support, let them know about your issue, maybe you're shifting places and that you inputted a wrong location, and what are the things that you can do. So for that, you can also just tap this little Alexa icon from the bottom right, which is a chat icon over here, and now you'll be able to go ahead and then basically talk to a customer support team over here. Otherwise, you can just tap on this option. You can go to customer service here. Once you go to customer service, you should be able to go ahead and basically simply contact the customer support team. Once you contact the customer support team, you should be able to get help with them. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.